Well, I have a co-host for this video. Gino. Gino, come here. My dog. Say hi to everybody, Gino. This is a Montgomery Wards by Frigidaire. Quiet air, high efficiency, electronic control. The window kit's back there. Here's your fan motor. I don't know what brand that could be. Here's your compressor. I do know it's a Toshiba. It's a rotary. This thing is a... Let's see, I believe this... No. Okay, so that pulls out for your filter. Here's your meaty coil. And then I think... Let's see. It's just a couple of... Oh, it's got screws, yeah. But anyways, I don't know if they can be seen. I can't really. But anyways, I think this is like a 7800 BTU. Come on. Come on, you. There we go. I think that's a 7800 BTU. You can... come on. Almost there. Anyways. I think this is like a 7800 BTU. Come on. Stupid camera. Doesn't want to focus on that tag. But yeah, anyways. 7800 BTU, I believe. It's from the later 80s. It has some of the earliest electronic controls that I've seen. And by early, I mean primitive. On a window air conditioner. Let's see. Let's see if I can. One second, I'm gonna put this face back on. Let's see, it goes there and there, and then it just. Okay. So yeah. There you go. Faceplate's back on. Now, here's your controls. Vent. Open. Closed. Thermostat. Somewhat efficient. Time delay. Fan speed. Right here. Delay hours. So that's... And then... Cool and fan. Energy saver on and off. Filter check. Low fan. Medium. High fan. Energy saver. And now let's kick the compressor on, but let's get you around the side where the compressor is so you can listen to it, because it's probably going to be awesome. It's not started in a long time. So yeah, it's a Toshiba rotary compressor, and this is I think this would be considered a small chassis. It's not that big. Weighs a ton because of the coils. And it gets cold fairly quickly, but it does. That's been sitting so long, it is taking a minute. Yeah, the vents are just like this. That are just like this. The diverters, and they actually do divert the air just a little bit. Not a whole lot. And it's starting to get cool. And I don't know if you can hear the compressor or not, but it's doing what it needs to. I think it's finally building head pressure. This is a very nice unit, and I think I paid all of $50 for this. Now it is dirty. It's filthy from sitting. It's dirty from being used throughout the use. It's been sitting mostly in my possession. I used it one year with my parents. It was way oversized. Never used it again. Now maybe one of these days I'll put the window kit back together. It's the only window kit I have that's thick enough to take the nice dual layer. Those dual layer window kit repair things. So I'll get one of those. So I'll just get one of those and fix it with that. I just need to find the right screws. That's the biggest problem. And the fan motor it looks like a Fasco to me, but I don't know, it could be something else. It's been a while since I've had this thing open, so I don't entirely remember. Yeah, this is probably my rarest air conditioner. It's getting cool now. Yeah, it's nice and cool now. And this does run I-22 as expected. This is just kind of an oddball one. So yeah. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.